Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been forever since I recorded. There's been all kinds of stuff go on. You want to say hi? I'm recording. Don't touch the table. School has kicked my butt. Work's been kicking my butt. Family life been kicking my butt. And I also lost my computer that I recorded videos on, so I wasn't able to edit anything. But I finally got another computer. And I have it set up. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it? I have it set up on my vanity now, so whenever I'm editing, I can be in the living room with family while I'm editing and not. But that was like one of the main things that bothered me whenever I was doing YouTube videos. I was always in the room editing away from family, and Kylie's getting older, so she's wanting more mommy and daddy time. Really excited and ambitious to get back into making videos. I've been getting really big into hair products and hair care. I got all kinds of hair on, right? So I'm thinking about aiming more towards hair products. Still do makeup videos, but if you guys have any hair products you'd like me to try, I would love to try them. Trust me, I would love to try them. I'm also going to be doing hairstyles on this channel. So my first video back in the game is going to be a updated hair routine and how to get like beachy, silky curls without a curling iron. My updated hair routine, they're all Redken products. I go to a Redken school, so I'm around Redken all the time, and I never really used their products until I went to school there and started using them, and they work really good. Since my hair is so long, the ends are really split. Something that is really extreme and has a lot of benefits for my hair. I use both of the Redken Extreme conditioner and the shampoo. It smells really good. It almost smells like Amber Romance from Victoria's Secret. And with that, I use the Extreme Anti-Snap. When I get out of the shower, I rub it through my hair when it's damp. This really helps put the proteins back in your hair and help seal up the split ends. Before your hair dries, you want it to be wet. Obviously, it's already done and stuff. While it's damp, I spray the Redken Beach Envy Volume. This gives you it's like sea salt spray. You squirt it all through your hair and then you'll scrunch it up. You can do it as many times as you like. Don't do it too much because it might give it a kind of a weird residue at the end. And I also spray the Guts 10 Volume Volumizing Mousse. It sprays out. I'll squirt that through your hair, and I would normally flip my hair over, but since I have a really bad ear infection and I lose hearing in my right ear when I bend over, it puts like a lot of pressure in my ears, so I don't like to bend over right now. But after you scrunch your hair and get it all nice and curly like, you pull it up. I don't know if you guys can see this in the camera. You pull it up and then you just wrap it around. Twist it like this all the way down. You gotta like bend all the way down to do this, and then you just wrap it around like that, and then you put a ponytail in it, and I put a hair clip in the back to keep it from falling down, and then you let it dry, and then it comes down, and then you'll have really beachy waves without a curling iron. You can put more product in afterwards. Use no like mousse or nothing. I'm going to use the Shine Splash by Redken as well. Literally all my hair products are Redken. You just spray this in your hair. It gives it a shine. And it smells really freaking good. Seriously, smell. Smell my hair.
I can't mess with you while you're doing your video.
Maybe I should. I think I might put a little bit more product in here. I'm going to use the Guts 10, and it just sprays out like that. It comes out really crazy. I had no idea. Like when I first used it, I was like, what? I've never seen it come out like that. Usually it comes out on like a really thick foam, but this like squirts out like really crazy. That's what she said. And there you got beachy waves. Now this is a very simple, easy hairstyle to do, especially if like you're in a hurry and you don't have time to blow dry your hair or straighten it, curl it, whatever you do to your hair. It's just, you can sleep in it, wake up. If you sleep in your hair like this, it'll be so freaking curly in the morning. I didn't leave it in for that long, so it's not as curly as I'd like. But my hair is also super long, so it's like my hair, it's really hard to hold a curl because it's so long, which sucks. But I did order this new curling iron that I am really excited about trying. That was in the video.
What?
Yeah, your butt was in the camera. That's so funny. I'm not taking that out either. I'll make a video on that whenever I get it in the mail, and I cannot wait to get it. And I had a good curling iron, and like, really missed recording for you guys. I'm so sorry. I've been gone. Life happens and it just sucks. I thought about recording all the time. we'll have a coffee talk, and I'll talk to you about all the bitchiness and problems that I've had in my life since I left you guys. Alright, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for staying with me. Share me with your friends. Maybe one day I'll get my better camera. I will see you in my next video. Thank you guys for coming to see me again. Love you all. Bye.